Switching more appliances and heating to electric when you have solar panels can seriously boost the benefits you get from your system. So, here's the deal. If you've got solar panels cranking out more power than you actually use during the day, it makes total sense to run as many things as possible on electricity. Think about swapping your old gas water heater for an electric heat pump water heater. It's way more efficient and uses the extra solar power instead of pulling from the grid. Same goes for heating. Switching to electric heat pumps instead of gas furnaces lets you use that free solar juice to keep cozy. Also, try running your dishwasher, washing machine, or even your electric car charger during peak sunlight hours to make the most of your solar energy. If you time things right, you'll cut down your electric bills and lower your carbon footprint without much hassle. Just make sure your electric system can handle the extra load, or talk to a pro to upgrade safely. And hey, don't forget to check if there are any local incentives for making these eco-friendly upgrades, because saving money while saving the planet is a win-win. One of the biggest mistakes people make when switching appliances to electric with solar is not upgrading their electrical panel or wiring first, which can lead to overloads or safety issues. Fix this by getting a certified electrician to inspect and upgrade your system. Another common problem is ignoring the timing of electricity use. If you don't run those electric appliances when your solar panels are producing, you end up buying expensive power from the grid. Use smart timers or home energy management systems to sync usage with sunshine hours. Lastly, lots of folks forget to consider the efficiency of the appliances themselves. Just plugging in inefficient electric units won't maximize savings. Go for Energy Star-rated heat pumps or water heaters that are designed to work well with solar power. BigHomeProjects.com is a handy resource for homeowners looking to find reliable local contractors who know their stuff about solar and electric upgrades. Plus, it helps contractors connect with clients who need expert work done on their homes, making it easier to get projects rolling smoothly.